love making Korean chicken soup in the Instant Pot because it's easy and you just throw everything in the pot and let it go. So we're going to start off with one little onion, cut off the ends, slice it in half, peel it up, and put it in to the Instant Pot. If you have some carrots inside your fridge or freezer, feel free to add that into your soup. I had some baby carrots in my freezer, so I went ahead and sliced that up and put them into the Instant Pot as well. You can take or break off a little bit of that ginger, peel it off with a spoon or even just with a knife, and then slice some big cubes or chunks and place that into the Instant Pot so that it is easy to remove once cooked. For this recipe, I am using 3 chicken thighs because the package that I had 3 chicken thighs. Feel free to use a whole chicken or whatever you want. We then added some garlic. If you have garlic cloves, I would recommend adding the whole cloves rather than these diced or chopped up garlic, but I only had this in the fridge, so this is what I'm using. Next up, we're going to add 6 cups of water into your Instant Pot. I gauged about 2 cups of water per person or per chicken thigh that I'm using. When you have all of these ingredients in your pot, throw that all into your Instant Pot container, close the lid, and press on soup. That should be 30 minutes. Once it's completed, you'll want to open that up and remove that fat layer. I like to serve mine with a bowl of rice, and on top add your chicken and your broth and serve it with some green onion. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my website, min2be.com, for more. Thank you!